Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to play Crystal of Atlan on PC. So first of all, you need to go to bluestacks.com, and on bluestacks.com you want to go ahead on the search bar and write down Crystal of Atlan. After that, you will have two options: play a Crystal Atlan on PC or play official PC version. So if you would click on this one, you would be redirected to this page and you can press play, and as you can see, now the launcher has been downloaded, and you can go ahead and click on the file and install it. And this is how it would look like. You press install now and it would install Crystal of Atlan. After it will load up, as you can see, its space required is this much, so you need to have 44 gigabytes at least, and press download and download the game. Now, another option would be to play Crystal Atlan on PC through BlueStacks. So you're gonna do the same, download it, press on it, and you would need to install BlueStacks, so just press install now. And you will need to wait a little bit for it to load and download. Now, after this has been downloaded, you want to press install from Google Play. Now, if you will see this error like I do, your device isn't compatible, then you will need to press on play PC version. And basically this is the first step I showed. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.